What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I just want to say, first of all, I'm sorry that I've not been on Instagram that much posting photography. I've been a little bit under the weather lately, so I haven't really been on these social platforms, posting photography, going out doing shoots, stuff like that, because I've been trying to take care of myself, You gotta take care of yourself. But I do want to say, we have big news. We have actually doubled our subscriber count and grown this channel double in size in the past 3 months. We're now over 130 subscribers, and I know in the grand scheme of things, that's not a lot of subscribers compared to other people out there, but for us, this is a big win. So I do want to say thank you so much for everyone that has basically helped me out and given me support on this channel. And I do appreciate anyone that's been here since the beginning. I do have a lot of awesome content planned for the summer and for the upcoming months in general, but also, weather permitting, because today I was gonna do a car wash segment of the Charger and it's pouring out. So, I'm only limited to one day that I can actually do content and actually, create things during my work week. So, I gotta do what I gotta do. But I want to take this time to definitely say thank you to you guys. But I do have an awesome surprise for you guys coming up eventually with a test drive / review of my buddy's new car. I'm hoping to do that at some point within the next couple months and actually get up to New Hampshire and do a shoot about that. But as for the Charger, we have to wait for the wheels to go on another month right now, so I'm kind of stuck right now. I'm waiting to get something installed on the car that's going to be, a little bit behind right now because of, everything that's going on with the world. Things a little bit behind still, and I have to wait to get that put on first before I get the wheels on. And on top of that, I need rear brakes because the car is not stopping like it should right now, and I don't want to put brand new wheels on a car and then have rusted brakes, and pads and rotors like that, and brake dust everywhere. Like, yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. I want to keep these wheels nice and clean. No dusty wheels this season, not happening. No, okay, we're keeping these things clean. As for the stock wheels, I actually am selling them. They're still available. They're on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and Craigslist. If you guys are in the Rhode Island area and you're interested in picking up the wheels, I kept good care of these wheels. They are worth something. DM me on Instagram or comment below in this video and we can work something out. As always, thank you so much for your support in watching this video and helping grow the channel to where it is right now. I'm hoping to grow the channel exponentially this year, as it has already in the past few months, but please don't forget to like the video. It does help out the channel. It means a lot to me. And subscribe if you're not already, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you're notified for future videos. Thank you so much for watching again, guys, and I will see you in the next one.